Yes, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I've actually wanted to share with you how you should maybe go about when you're having a bike, things that actually you should try to consider if you really want your bike not to have any problems. One, you have to always give your bike service, and you have to take care of your tires. You have to check them whether they are still having uh air in them in the tube, so that you don't get a flat tire. Because when you ride a bicycle, when the tube actually don't have air in them, when you've not pumped air in the tube, that means that the inner tube is going to get a hole, and it's going to make you go into losses that actually you're not ready for. So as you see the bike, we had to ride it without it having air in the tube, and then it had to cost us money to buy a new tube to put inside the bike. So when you buy a bike, another thing, you have to make sure that when keeping it, or when you're done riding it or pedaling it, you have to make it rest on something that is not maybe cement. Because when you put a bike on the cement, then that means that you're going to always have a flat tire, because cement always makes the tube to lose the air. So you always have to scrub the chain and remove the dust, so that it actually does not give you a hard time when you're pedaling the bike. So you're going to see how they're going to try to fix the bike. That is the Galax 420. The that is the new tube that actually they got, that they had to put inside, because it had got a flat tire, and then we had to ride it without putting in more air into the bike, without pumping in more air into the bike. So I wanted to share those do's and don'ts when you have a bike, because remember, these bikes also need to have service. If you don't give your bike service, then that means it's going to give you a hard time to ride it. It's going to give you a hard time. You're always going to be falling a victim of incurring in more money for you to take it to the person actually, or let me say the bike doctor, to take good care of it, maybe scrub it and then give it services. Remember to always give your bike service, because it really does need it. So I'll leave you at that and give you a glimpse of a video, so that you keep on watching and see how they had to really give it nice service, so that it gets a new tubing, because it had got a flat tire and we had to ride it, and then we had to incur in more money for it to fix in a new tube into the tire, so that it can, so that we can start riding it again. So anyway, I love you all. Have a lovely one. If you find this video informative to you, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I get anything new on my channel. I love you all. Have a lovely one. Bye bye and ciao ciao.